Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this aluminum with glass or aluminum glass and door. Okay, so this is just one of the method or one of the method only. Okay, so usually I will use this one also one of the method. Okay, click here. Where I show you two methods. Okay, so one of the method something like this. Okay, I add another wall here. Okay, so this wall I'm gonna use aluminum to create it. Okay, very simple. You can just click on this one, aluminum door, double click the wall, right? Okay, here you just drag the frame okay, but first if you want to make door, right, make sure you change this one to push casement door. Okay, then you drag it, so you see aluminum cover the area. So if you don't want all aluminum, right, then maybe you can move it down a bit. Maybe here you put 400. Okay, then you can spread it. Okay, you can use here this button to draw on it also can, if you want. Okay, but usually I will split it. Okay, I will split it like this. Okay, then here I will do a door, right, then maybe I will split another one. Then here I type the door size 2100. Okay, and here is door size, let me check, about 900. Okay, 900. Then I will just split here. Here I will split also, split a bit. Here I split a bit. Okay, do some pattern, or the one make it look so boring. Okay, I'll make it 900. 900 here, 900 also. Right here I give it 600. Okay, look small. This one I want it look big. This one I make it 600 and 600. Okay, then here I will just use this one, because it's a door like I told you. So this one is open in, open inside, open outside. Of course open outside usually. Okay, then complete. We have a door and you can open up. It's very big I can say that. It's very big also. But this is how is it. Okay, so this is just one of the method, Okay, if this one you can adjust also, if I'm not mistaken. So this is just one of the method. Okay, so another method. Okay, I will teach you lump sum all the three methods. Another method is this one. Okay, you can also come to here, go to crowd, simple crowd, just type glass door. Okay, you will find some frame like this. Okay, so you just drag. Okay, wait a moment. I find some similar. Yes. Okay, this one maybe I find this one looks similar. Okay, maybe. Okay, I decided to find this one. Check out. Okay, check out already. Then adjust it. So this one I press. This one I put like this first, and press C. Adjust it. Okay, adjust it. Door. Okay. This one put here. Sorry. This one I will put here. Hold control button. This one I will move it here. Use it as a door. Then maybe here I will drag this one under this view panel here to continue. Select it, move it, and move it. glass door. Simple, just adjust only. See, adjust. This is the simplest way. Simplest way. Okay. This is one of the method. Another one, there are a lot of method. Okay, I'll show you all in this video. Okay, another method. Okay, so this one I'll put here. I'll join them together. Maybe this one I extend first. Extend a bit. So this one I adjust it 3000. Okay, move it. This one don't want delete. Yes, delete the wall. And this one delete the wall. Delete the wall. Okay. This one also delete the wall. Okay, delete the wall. Okay. So I will show you here. This one delete. Okay. So another one is this method, a very simple one. Okay, I hide here first. I'm going to use this function to create it. Okay, system cabinet. Okay, so this one is 3000 and the height is 2008. Okay, so I'll just use superboard. Okay, then I'll change the size first. So of course 3000 wide. Okay, 2000 wide, and the depth is the height 2008. Okay, then in here, right, I will move it a bit. I'll move it here a bit. Okay. Wait. Let me double check. So I'll just use panel point only. Before that, I need to double check is it correct or not, the size. Okay, maybe my here are not correct. This one, how many? 3000. Okay. Okay. B box selection, select it, right click, panel point, edit. 2009-500, 2008. Okay. So to be safe I will usually do like this. If you find out not same, okay, doesn't matter. Okay, you press C, you press X, rotate it. Press X, rotate it. 90 degrees. Okay. Then move it up. Z. Not correct. X button, select it, rotate it a bit. Okay, make sure it's straight. And this one also X button, rotate it up. Degrees. Okay, cover all the area. This one can move it. Press Z button to move it. Okay, so I'll put it here. So I'll move it here a bit. Okay, you can find out here not enough space, right? Never mind, we add up. Okay, 300 I give it. After add up, oh sorry, my white is different angle. Okay, so this one 2008. 2008. So this one 3000. Okay, so usually I correct you rotate it okay, then if you don't want, you can do like this. Okay, then you just press B box selection, open hole we just open the hole only using this function called panel point editing. Okay, so first I will open a rectangle hole in here, flip hole, okay, here 50, go up all the way. So first I find use my calculator lah. Okay, 2750. Okay, 2750 minus 900. Oh, this one must be correct lah. So it's 18 something, 1850. Then I go up all the way. 1850. Okay, go up all the way. 2150. Here. Okay, so this is the way I want. Okay. Then later I open the hole already. Later I'll put glass lah. Other than that, I can simply plot. Okay, for example, here I give another 50. I'll simply do one rectangle. Something like this. Okay, then I draw rectangle again. Okay, it's just a pattern lah, guys. Actually, no more people measure a 3D lah. Okay. Also later I'll put glass. Okay, then I continue do some pattern only. Okay, so after I done open the whole right, save, return. Okay, the last step are very simple, guys. We just put glass only. So you can drag the glass from here. Let me see. Yeah, maybe this one, back panel glass. I'll put here. Okay, so I simply change the size to 800 and 3000. Okay, doesn't matter the glass. Okay, because the glass can overlap it. Okay, press Z, move in. Okay, fit here. Now this pattern you want. Okay, then if you want, you can change the material to aluminium now. Black color aluminium. Okay, if you want the door or like this or the door like this, right? One panel, add one panel only. Simple as that. Okay, come down, add one panel. Okay, so I'll just simply drag one panel. Maybe this one, front razor. Front razor look better. Front razor. Okay, change the size, maybe 100. Okay, change the size, maybe 900. Change the depth, maybe 100. Too big I think. 50. Okay, like this. Then press Z, move it in. Z button. Move it in. Okay, like this. Or both can adjust the hand. Move it in. Move it out. Something like the picture. Then change the material only. Copy material. I lazy to find. Can change. No. Okay, copy material lah. Right click. Format printer. Paint only. Done. Okay. All simple as that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.